So we're here at McGregor. Barton, have you heard about this complex?
No, I have not.
No? Okay, let me share a little story about this neighborhood with you. This land was once part of McGregor estate, and this original heritage home you see right here has now been transformed into the residence party and amenity room. The McGregor family were early developers in Burnaby, and they also served as city council. In 2011, Amacon developed this 12-acre site into a community of 96 homes. Now even today, many people don't know this area exists. It's tucked away and wonderfully secluded. It's like having a little piece of Burnaby's history right in your backyard. And speaking of backyards, you have an entire residents-only greenbelt park that feels like your own private yard. Your kids can play soccer here while you relax with a book. Sip your coffee on this balcony, watch the sunset, or enjoy romantic dinner with your loved ones. Now, let's head inside because the view feels way better when you can view it from your dining table. So what are people looking for in a townhouse? So you have a private garage and you have a paved patio with irrigation system, a southern-facing balcony, and also a powder room and a 9-foot high ceilings on this main level. And if Ferrari red isn't your color, it can be easily repainted. Let me show you this 3-bedroom craftsman style home with over 1,400 square feet of living space. This breakfast nook easily seats 4, and here is a workstation that can use as a work from home setup. Wait, you're too close, move further away. So check out this upgraded, super powerful range fan here, and welcome to the heart of this home's open concept kitchen area. You got huge island space for entertaining, lots of cabinet space. Right here, let me show it to you, and 1-piece backsplash. So easy to clean, a 4-gas burner stove by KitchenAid, and huge sink right here. And check out the French door fridge by LG. And the best part is, you get to overlook the greenbelt while preparing your favorite meals. After showing you the family space on the other side, here is your formal living and dining area. You got this huge window that brings tons of natural light. You got the 9-foot high ceiling, light color wood flooring, and 12-foot wide. You really feel the space here. Now that's a formal dining space, but you can have guests over for entertaining or just having dinner with the family. Now in this living area, you have this cozy fireplace that's perfect for family gathering or just sharing your day. Now let Barton show you the upstairs.
Alright, so all 3 bedrooms are upstairs. There are also 2 bathrooms and the laundry room. The secondary suites are overlooking at the private greenbelt, so no looking at your neighbor's window. On my left-hand side here, there's a washer and dryer and the ensuite. This is the primary bedroom with his and her closet and the bathroom. It has shower and a bathtub, so enough to satisfy everyone's need.
And while the upstairs give you comfort and privacy, what's outside your front door makes life even better. You are less than a 2-minute walk to your favorite Canadian coffee shop and about 12 minutes bike ride to your district. So this home has been the same family for the last 13 years. They raise their kids here, they enjoy this greenbelt view every season. And now it's ready for the new owners to create their own memories.
So if you've been dreaming of upsizing with more space, more nature in this Burnaby exclusive community, this townhouse is the one.
My name is Ken.
I'm Barton.
Well, for the True Partner Real Estate team, give us a call, text, email to schedule a private tour, or if this one doesn't match, you can click here to watch more tours, or subscribe to our channel so you never miss another property tour. Let's go! Woo!